Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're installing our Sanctum wireless charging consulate upgrade in a 2020 Chevy Tahoe. Our Sanctum wireless charging systems are designed to bring wireless charging to your console, eliminating the need for any extra cables and bulky dash-mounted phone chargers. The magnetic charging bed is manufactured with a hard ridge around the edges to help keep your phone in place. This unit is compatible with most smartphones that use the QI wireless charging protocol. GM does offer a factory wireless charging consulate option in some trim levels. However, the width of both the wireless charging and standard factory trays aren't wide enough for most phones. For this generation of GM full-size truck and SUV, we're offering this as a drop-in DIY-friendly unit. We also include a USB adapter for the 12-volt power outlet in the console for an easy plug-and-play install. Whether or not you're looking to upgrade to wireless charging, we also offer a leather consulate upgrade to replace your worn-out factory vinyl upholstery. Be sure to check out the installation video in the description below. Or if you're looking for professional installation, give us a call and we can see if there's a shop in your area.